Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a superfood breakfast bowl with all of these awesome superfoods. I'll talk you through as I go, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can pin, bookmark, save whenever you want. This beautiful breakfast inspiration. So I'll chat you through the ingredients I've got. We've got some zucchini and leek which I'm going to fry up. We've got a beautiful avocado over there. We've got some eggs that I'm going to make some scrambled eggs with, and smoked salmon too. So we're just really going to put this all together. You can mix and match whatever you want in your superfood breakfast bowl, and I'll leave some ideas in the link down below. But we're going to start off by sauteing the zucchini and the leek in heaps of butter, which is another wonderful superfood. I very roughly chopped up the leek and the zucchini just to make sure to clean any of the dirt off, because it does kind of happen with leeks. They end up with dirt in between all the little layers, so give it a good clean. And we've just got some butter melting in the frying pan, and we're going to saute this until it's done to our liking. Okay, I've got my vegetables sauteing away. I thought I'd just whisk up my eggs. I've got 5 eggs, added a splash of cream in for nice creamy scrambled eggs, and we'll just whisk it until it's smooth. And then they're ready to cook up once the veggies are done. Veggies are almost done. I'm just going to let them saute for another minute or so, and then I'll move them off into bowls and cover them up to keep warm while I season my eggs. Here you go, veggies are done. We'll just cover them up with a bowl and see to our scrambled eggs. And the eggs are in the frying pan, and we're just going to scramble them around till we've got beautifully, perfectly scrambled eggs, and it's up to you how long that takes. Once that's done, we'll pop them into the bowl and we'll build up our breakfast. It really didn't take long at all. Scrambled eggs are done. Let's make our breakfast. There we go. Scrambled eggs are in our breakfast bowl. We're going to add in our smoked salmon, avocado too, and put it all together. There you go. And my breakfast is complete. Look, beautiful. Smoked salmon, avocado, scrambled eggs, and all those vegetables, all full of superfoods. Great way to start the day. Give loads of nourishment, all kinds of vitamins, minerals, everything your body could need to function and to feel that you're starting the day really well with your eating. And yeah, who knows what happens after that, but I just feel as long as you got a good start, the day will go well. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know what you thought of the superfood breakfast bowl. I look forward to reading your comments, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with all the step-by-step instructions for you to pin, bookmark, and save for whenever you want this superfood breakfast bowl. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.